Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making a chicken and broccoli baked potato. So go ahead and take off however much broccoli you're going to want. I didn't do a lot, but I still did a decent amount. And then go ahead and boil it however soft you want it or firm. I like mine soft. And then in your baked potato, go ahead and throw some butter into it. I've been microwaving my baked potato recently. It's just a lot quicker and easier method for me, so don't come at me. And then go ahead and throw in some Cajun seasoning and onion powder on top of it. And then just go ahead and mix it all in just to make sure that the butter's melted through and your seasoning is going to be pretty well mixed in there. Throw down a little base layer of cheese. Go ahead and add the broccoli on top of the cheese. Next, you're going to go ahead and add shredded chicken. This is leftover chicken I had from making tacos. So there's basically Cajun seasoning on this as well. It's the only seasoning on the chicken. And then go ahead and throw down some more cheese. And I have this little blow torch, so I just torch the cheese this way. If not, you can put it in the oven. Just turn it on broil and melt down the top. I put pepper on and then I melted a little bit more, throw some hot sauce on it, and that is going to be it. And go ahead and look at this. Beautiful, tasted really good, and enjoy.